What else is on there?
Road hazard, tire.
Road hazard, tire and wheel repair. Gunny,
Sir.
Gunny, you ever run over something with your tire, a perfectly good tire as a matter of fact, and had it blow because of something you hit in the road?
Sure did.
Was the tire repairable or did you have to replace
I
it?
had to replace it.
How much was that, Gunny?
With the rim, about 180 bucks.
Oh, how fun was that?
It was not fun at all.
Not fun at all. Well, look, for the next 6 months, if that happens to you, it ain't gonna cost you a nickel,
Awesome.
okay? We're gonna take care of it. You hit something in the roadway that's not supposed to be there, blow a tire, we'll pay to have it fixed. If it can't be fixed, we'll pay to have it replaced. You bend or break a wheel to the point where it will not hold air, we'll replace that wheel too, okay? We'll do that in an unlimited number of times during the first 6 months, but you're planning on keeping the car longer than 6 months, correct?
Correct.
Check with Corey. He'll show you how to extend that coverage out to 3, 4, even 5 years. This is how we create value. We can't just show them the card and read it.